Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a fascinating chemical reaction that produces fire without any traditional ignition source. But a quick disclaimer, this experiment is highly reactive and should not be attempted at home. In our previous video we explored how mixing potassium permanganate, KMnO4, with glycerin can spontaneously ignite. If you haven't seen it yet, check it out here. Today we're replacing glycerin with hydrogen peroxide, H2O2, to observe a different reaction. Potassium permanganate is a strong oxidizer, and hydrogen peroxide is a reactive compound, commonly used as a disinfectant. When combined, they undergo a vigorous redox reaction. Safety first, I'm wearing gloves and goggles, and we're in a controlled environment. Now let's add hydrogen peroxide to potassium permanganate.
This amazing experiment has been done by the talented Indian YouTuber Mr. Indian Hacker, who is known for his creative, mind-blowing tricks and viral science experiments.
Wow, did you see that? The reaction releases oxygen gas and heat, igniting the mixture without any external flame. Let's break down the chemistry. Reactants, potassium permanganate, KMnO4, and hydrogen peroxide, H2O2. Products, manganese dioxide, MnO2, oxygen gas, O2, potassium hydroxide, KOH, and water, H2O. The reaction is highly exothermic, releasing enough heat to ignite the oxygen gas produced. This experiment demonstrates the power of chemical reactions and the importance of understanding reactivity. Remember, while it's fascinating to observe, it's crucial to prioritize safety and conduct such experiments only in professional settings. If you found this experiment intriguing, give us a thumbs up, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting science content. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and stay curious.